Hello everyone and welcome to Pneuma Digital Solutions YouTube channel. I wanted to put together an intro video to give you a little picture of what you will find here. So what we will be posting is security learning videos to enhance security skills for security professionals. And also we'll have security awareness content as well. So for those folks that are looking to obtain a greater education, learn more on how to protect themselves online from phishing, smishing, vishing, and various other attacks, we're going to put together videos up here for that as well. If you'd like to follow us on Facebook, go ahead and click in the video. We provide links in all of them for that. And also, if you have any questions for us, feel free to reach out. We hope this is a beneficial resource to you. Please reach out if there's other videos that you would like to see, certain techniques, topics, and we'd love to cover them and hear from you. So enjoy and have a wonderful day. All right. Bye-bye now.